fingers. Alright, now I've got it, honey.
Alright, it's 9:15. August the 11th.
Ooh, he's a fatty, ain't he? Alright, how big you think he is?
I don't know. 10, 12 pounds.
I would think at least 12, wouldn't you?
Yeah, probably so.
Alright.
Okay, well, let's get the still shot.
Alright, so I need to stomp this one.
Recorder.
'Okay, what time? 8:57. August 12th, 2018. On a green sunfish. Four to 5 pounds, easy. All right, let's get the stick. 10:07 p.m., August 14th. Oh, Law, you got...
I think he's wrapped up around the other line.
Oh, I almost thought we had a double there. Bunny's hooked into one here. Let's go. Let's follow that rod there. Yeah, apparently he got wrapped around that other line. Bunny may show us a triple. Had it losing the other one. Now I see sinker, or did. Oh, there he went. Oh, yeah, he's pretty good. Well, let's see if Bunny can net this thing. Yeah.
Pretty good size, little chunky, ain't he?
Yeah, he's a pretty nice one. See if we can cut that light back just a bit.
Hook right there, hook good, don't they?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good size. A bit bigger than what it looked. Oh, what, about 10? Ow, he bit me.
I don't know, but he might go a bit more than 10.
Peeing on me or something?
Must be.
It's on you, huh?
He just said pee on you.
Throw a scale over it, yeah. He quit biting me. Every time I try to eat.
Bunny really wasn't anticipating catching one night because he had those scales buried in. Whoa.
You gotta get right in there and cooking pretty good. Flop around everywhere.
What'd you do with those, they may be in that box, those plastic grippers?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
I don't know, did we put them on here?
Yeah, I remember that.
Well, let me stop this.
As long as you don't flop around.
Let's see. One's out of focus.
12 pound 6.
Yep, 12.6. 8:30 p.m., August 16th, 2018. And Bunny is doing it to me again. I don't know how long this is going to keep going on. Anyway, I guess the fish are up here. Oh.
Get all your little ones out of the way for you.
Yeah. Anyway, that's the way it is. August 16th, 2018. 8:58 p.m. I didn't look at the date. But Bunny just hooked into a little one here. Where'd he go? There he is. But first action of the night in a new spot. We'll see what all transpires from here. Sentry and Bunny on Watauga Lake. At 9:18 p.m., August the 19th, I believe, Bunny just keeps putting it on me.
Yeah, that's a good one here.
Texas got a good one. I bet it's just wrapped around a log or something.
Feels like it. He don't want to come up.
Well, let's see. You gonna get him up, Bunny?
All right. There. Oh yeah, he's a good mite.
You gonna quit playing with him? Oh, let's see. Have I got him in the camera yet? Yeah, there he is. Let me zoom in a little more here. There you have it, folks. Sentry and Bunny on Watauga Lake, August 19th, 2018. Okay. All right, what is it? 9:01. And we are August 25th. Kevin with his first real flathead trip. I mean, he had one, but this ain't Eli. Mama. Come on. All right. What's it gonna go? There he is.
Yeah, look that mouth.
We'll break Kevin in on this stuff. Get him motivated. All right, back off a bit.
Okay. There he is.
I ain't gonna weigh him. He's probably 10 pounds or so. But anywho, that's it. August 25th, 2018.
Oh, Lordy.
Sentry and Gilly on Watauga Lake.
That's right.
Okay, cut that. Let's see, what was this was? August 26th at 8:49 p.m. Put the end of one on the blue gill. Oh, son, got 5 little blue.
Shaking that head, ain't he?
I don't think he's that big.
I want to keep him with him your other pole there.
Yeah. Oh, he got too off good.
Just thought he was.
He gave some strong lunges. I would have thought that he would have been bigger than that.
Yeah.
He's about 5-6 pounds maybe. Anyway, first of the night, August 26th, Watauga Lake. October 1st, 2018. Trying to check out Bunny here about almost 7 o'clock, 6:52 p.m. We got one trying to run up under pontoon, and Bunny's got a stick.
Stickfish.
And Bunny. Oh, yeah.
Oh God.
Bunny's making a mess over here.
Yeah.
Looks like he's got a carp. Yeah.
It's ready to be a mess, ain't it?
Is he getting in my line?
I hope not. Trying to keep him out of him.
Well, I must be getting something, Bunny. I mean, it was... And that... it's...
He's got both my poles wrapped up here. Got a big old carp in it.
Yeah. Oop, there it went. Broke off. October 1st, 2018. That Bunny missed that old carp, or it broke his line. But now, well,
He spit it out.
just lost another. And that's the way it is on Watauga Lake. Century and Bunny.